show you the view. It looks like snow. It's really pretty. And yes, I am on an airplane. Heading to New Jersey. About to land. One second.
I'm sorry.
They delayed so much in the beginning. They were like, we're gonna be 30 minutes. An hour later. We were supposed to land at
Like 6:30.
like 6:30, but it actually like didn't land until it probably is not gonna land until 8.
Look at the clouds.
Okay, we're preparing for landing.
Gotta go.
This was kind of a short video,
To
but
prepare for
bye.
landing,
This
please
video will
close
be
your tray
posted.
table and put away
Bye.
counter